The word "the," if it's in front of a newspaper name or a magazine name or some other periodical, does that word count as part of the name? Now we're getting into the nitty-gritty little detailed stuff that as a proofreader, as an editor, I love this stuff. If you are a writer, if you are an editor who focuses more on the developmental side of things, the Chicago manual is giving us a more narrow and specific rule on this, which I love specificity and this sort of thing. Previously, it was a little more amorphous. It was a little more nebulous as to whether or not that counts towards the name. Now, if in the publication, if in the periodical's name on its logo or its masthead or its, whatever it's putting out about itself, if it includes that "the" in the stylized text, for example, then when you're writing it, you include it as part of the name. So that "the" is also capitalized. It's also italic. It is in whatever format the rest of the name is in. If that "the" is not there, if it's not present in the periodical's presentation of itself, if in like the stylized text in its logo or whatever, then that "the" doesn't count as part of the name. So when you're writing it, if you're italicizing the rest of the name like you're supposed to, you don't italicize or capitalize the "the" in front of the name. If you want somebody to help you with all of this super specific, super detailed and focused stuff from the 18th edition of the Chicago Manual of Style when it comes out in September, go ahead and reach out to us at vandunkedits.com today. We can help you get there.